According to multiple reports online, Kanye West is now suing Walmart for allegedly copying some of his designs. The rapper is now directly accusing the massive chain store of ripping off his sneakers and reselling them for much less. I'm gonna get into all the details in just a moment, but first, if you could do us a big favor and please tap that like button, we'd really appreciate it. And with that out of the way, let's begin. So as I mentioned, Kanye West is suing Walmart for allegedly selling a knockoff version of his very well-known foam shoe design, and the similarities are quite obvious to say the least. According to brand new legal documents first obtained by TMZ, Kanye and his company Yeezy are claiming that this move by Walmart is tricking people into buying a fake version of his shoes. Although they already have a pretty poor rating on Walmart's website to begin with, Kanye is most likely going after them to set a precedent that he should not be messed with. On the website, the shoes are listed at $24.49 and are branded as Dayful men's, women's, kids, summer beach shoes, foam runner, anti-slipper sandals. What a mouthful that is. Whoever wrote the name for that shoe is less concerned with people remembering it and more concerned with search engine optimization, because my god, is that a long title for what could simply be called foam sandals. No one is running in these things unless there's an emergency or a bear is chasing them. Although I guess those two are the same thing. According to the legal documents, Kanye first introduced his foam runner in 2019. However, the famous footwear would not make their public debut until June of 2020. Even at $75 a piece, these shoes sold out instantly. The claim is that Walmart knowingly made an unauthorized exact copy and has been selling it in their stores to cash in on the popularity of Kanye West and his Yeezy brand. This back and forth with Walmart though is nothing new for Kanye West. This news comes after Kanye and Walmart had already gone to war in court over Kanye's logo being too close to theirs. The retail giant sued Mr. West because they believe that his new logo was going to cause confusion and lead to customer deception. Oh, really? You mean like that thing that you're doing right now with his shoes? Yeah, this doesn't feel like revenge at all, Walmart. In a letter given to CNN put forward by Walmart, the company claimed that they had communicated with West's apparel brand twice last year in July and August, and again in January, February, and March of this year. The letter says, "To date, we have not received any conclusive information from Yeezy regarding the planned use or any cooperation from Yeezy in order to find common ground," adding, "Walmart believes the logo design depicted in the Yeezy application is confusingly similar to Walmart's well-known Spark logo design." And according to TMZ, Kanye's team is claiming that they had sent a legal warning to Walmart to pull these shoes from their online store, but when they failed to do so, Kanye and Yeezy sued them for major damages. In a recent response to the lawsuit, a spokesperson for Walmart said, "The product referenced in the complaint is not sold by Walmart, but rather by third-party marketplace sellers. We take allegations like this seriously and are reviewing the claim. We will respond in court as appropriate after we have been served with the complaint." Either way, I don't think this little war between Kanye and Walmart is over just yet. Despite them blaming a third party for the shoe, you know Kanye isn't going to let this one go. I wouldn't even be surprised if we see a Walmart diss track on his next album. Either way, we would love to hear your thoughts on this, so make sure you drop us a comment down below. And while you do that, I'm going to check out some of your comments from the video titled "Britney Spears' Parents Respond to Conservatorship Testimony." Michelle SP says her mother knew she divorced the guy, so she knows how bad he is. The sister and brother are guilty too. They have all been paid for 13 years. Oh yeah, that whole family has some splaining to do. Oniesh says, "Hope she gets out of this conservatorship. It just doesn't make any sense for a healthy working grown woman to be controlled like that. Hashtag I stand with Britney." We completely stand with Britney as well, and exactly like you said, she's been paying for all of these people, she's been paying for buses, she's been doing her own, what's it called? I'm not a dancer. Choreography, that's it. She's been doing her own choreography, she's been planning her own shows, she can definitely take care of herself. Michelle Sutton says, "Everything you said about her parents is exactly correct." Why, thank you so much, Michelle. Oh, got a little, there we go. Zack Gaming says, "They ain't gonna come out looking like the good guys no matter how much they try." They're trying. Sarah Lipkind says, "Her life is like that Black Mirror episode with Miley." I mean, there are scary similarities, that's for sure. Either way, guys, that has been today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I've been your host, Johnny Rogers, and until next time, stay classy, YouTube. Or at least try.